Ever wondered how aircraft wheels are changed safely and precisely? Today, let's walk through the aircraft wheel change procedure, step by step. Aircraft maintenance always starts with safety. Ensure the aircraft is parked, parking brakes are applied, and safety cones are in place. Install wheel chocks on the opposite gear and identify the correct jacking points as per the aircraft maintenance manual. Using approved hydraulic jacks, carefully raise the aircraft until the wheel is clear of the ground. Before removing the wheel, fully deflate the tire to eliminate any stored pressure and reduce risk. Remove the axle nut and carefully slide the wheel assembly off the axle. Inspect the axle, brakes, and surrounding components for wear, damage, or leaks before installing the new wheel. Align the new wheel correctly and install it onto the axle. Tighten the axle nut to the specified torque value. Inflate the tire using dry nitrogen and verify the correct pressure as per the AMM. Slowly lower the aircraft, remove the jacks, and reinstall all safety devices. Perform final checks and complete all required maintenance documentation. Aircraft wheel change, done safely, professionally, and by the book. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more aircraft maintenance knowledge.